welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an eyeshadow tutorial, pretty much. Eyeshadow lipstick tutorial. Not a full face tutorial, but like still a tutorial. And I have no idea what I'm calling it, so I don't know, guess we'll find out. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So to start this look, I'm first going to take the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. For my eye look today, I'm going to use the Too Faced Clover palette, and I'm first going to take the shade Chihuahua. I'm going to use that as my transition color. Now I'm going to take the shade Paw Prey, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. Now I'm going to take the shade Rut Row, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take the shade Cuddle Buddy, and I'm going to blend that on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take Cuddle Buddy, and I'm going to blend that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Chihuahua, and I'm going to use that to blend out Cuddle Buddy. For my mascara today, I'm going to take the Maybelline Total Temptation. Now I'm going to take the shade Puppy Eyes. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Katy Kat Matte Lipstick in the shade Couture. Alright, that is it for this video. I have no idea what I'm going to call this look yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Hit my notification bell so you upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I will see you in my next video.